roller coaster yan, so much fun.
Kasi nakabago?
Yun ba yung mini New York.
Yeah.
That's mini Paris. Si Jen pa yun dun. Oh my God!
Should we turn the right second lane?
Yeah.
So let's get out. Kasi yung Boulder, pupunta sana sa atin.
Sinong Boulder?
Yung Boulder, yung malaki.
Kailan?
Sana.
Oh, guidepost.
Wow.
I almost hit it.
Looks like there's already people that did.
Yeah.
Oh, siguro kung nakatira ka dito, masasawa ka naman sa Las Vegas, no? I've been there.
Debris, oh.
Hey, it's up. It's smile.
Russell.
I can go whatever speed I want, because I'm a cop.
Yo, blue car from Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan?
Move over.
Kaya sabihin, pag email ako, mag-ride ka, sabihin, no, not you. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Sabihin ko sa dito.
Slow me down.
Express lane and 4 miles. Tapos na ba yung mga shooting ko? Wala na, no? Wala nang buildings, no?
Oh yeah, peace out Las Vegas. See you again soon. Viva Las Vegas. Pag nasa bahay na, mag-email ako kay Chen na hindi ako pasok ng monte.
Bakit mag-i-email? Hindi ka dapat mag-i-email. May pasalubong ka sa kanya.
Huh? I-post namin? Never.
Wow. Diretso lang tayo ba?
Yeah.
Alert na yung aking camera. My camera is on the alert. On the alert mode.
Gusto ko yung sign na yan.
Saan?
Also, God was pointing up. I have that picture.
Okay, turn left. Can do it. Why didn't he signal? Turn. Oh, magra-ride sila doon. Doy, kunin mo na yung camera ko doon. Tanto na doon.